It's Saturday, April 23rd, almost 3:15 p.m. I'm just sitting in the whelping box with Lula's puppies. Oh, baby cakes. On the right is Blue, in the middle top is Gunner, and on the bottom looks like Yogi. Yes, it is indeed. Hi guys. Hi Gunner. Hi honey. Hello. Hello. You guys, their eyes are opening. Hey. Here's popcorn. And see cheese. Everybody's having a little nap. Oh, butterfly. They're laying on a pee pad because they're starting to pee now. And Lula's not really cleaning up after them anymore, so they decided the pee pad was a nice place to lay down. And there's Star. Hello, Star. Good morning, or well, good afternoon. Star. Oh. Hi. Hey, Popcorn. Hi, Popcorn. Oh, big puppy yawn. Hi, Lula. Puppies. Hello. You show everybody how your eyes are open? Hi. Hi, Gunner. Oh, big puppy yawn. Hello. Hi, Star. Everybody's a little tired. Look at how tired you are. Hello. Oh, Gunner just fell on his head. Oh, here comes Mama Lula. Hi, Yogi. Oh, Lula wants to get into the action here. Okay, I'm going to get out of the whelping bed. I'll move out of the way. Here. Okay. Now you guys will get a chance to see them walking around a little bit. They're like, oh, I can smell Mommy. Where is she? Okay, Lula's making her bed. I bet you're taking a pee, Gunner. Right here. I think that's Gunner taking a pee. Okay. You've missed the pee pad. Oh dear, yeah, see when they wake up. Oh, have your pee over here, big bud. Have your pee there, Yogi. Yeah. There's somebody going in. Oh, it's Blue. It's like, I'm getting in there. Yeah, oh yeah, see? Gunner, you made a big mess. You guys. Oh, they're going over there. They're like, where are you, Mommy? We need to get our milk. Hello. Hi, Gunner. Yogi, you say hi. Oh, he's heading off. He's heading off. You're in the wrong corner. Gunner. That's not Mommy. Mommy's back over here. So their eyes are open, but they don't see very well at this point. So Gunner's a bit confused. So this is the alarm bell that I often hear thinking, oh my goodness, someone's crashed. And it's just someone mad. Oh, Butterfly finally woke up. Come on, Butterfly. Oh, get going. Hey. Oh dear. Look at them go. You can hardly even see Lula anymore. They're so big. Hey. Oh, Butterfly, you got something to say. Hello. Hi, Butterfly. Hello. Butterfly, you're in the corner all by yourself. Hey, weeble wobble. Trying to make her way over the stuffed animals. There they go. Oh, pile of puppies. Somebody's having a pee. This is when and about, so it starts to get a little bit messy. Okay. Oh dear. Hi, Lula. Okay. You're getting so big. Oh dear. Popcorn got knocked out. Hey, Popcorn. It's like, stop washing me, Mommy. I need to get back in for the milk. Oh dear. It's a puppy pile. Good Mama Lula. Hey, you're a good girl watching your baby. That's a good Mama Lula. Hi Lula. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, nice mama. Yeah. Oh. So this is what nursing looks like now. Things have changed a slight bit. Here, I'll back up a little bit. It's a bit of chaos. Oh, Popcorn's still working on trying to shove Yogi out of the way there. This is my favorite sound. Sound like geese nursing.